Now let's talk about multiple variable assignment. So you can see the example here, but let me explain to make it clear understanding. Defining variables one by one can be a boring task. So let's say we have a variable called x which is containing one value, then another variable containing another value random. Then this is something is going to be a very boring task now. But what else we can do? We can take the variable names and separate them with a comma, and then assign different values to those variable in the other side, which are also separated by commas. And then if we try to print them, so let's say print x, then it will print the values of different variables. So this is how multiple variable assignment works, and there is nothing complex, so I think you understand it. Now what if we remove this one value from the last, and let us try to print the z variable, and it is going to give us an error. So it is saying that not enough values to unpack. And I forget to say, this process is known as packing and unpacking. Means we are packing a set of values into some variable, and if we don't have enough values to assign to different variables, then it will give us an value error. So this is something you have to remember. The number of variables and number of values must be same. So this is how multiple variable assignment works. And in the next video we will learn about the operators.